Hello there, this is Eli at SafeNet, talking about EMS. Let me show you over here. I've got a key connected to my machine, and this key has, if I go to features, I can see that it has only feature number 0. And suppose that I want to use the EMS in order to burn a license of feature 8. So what I do is I open Admin Control Center. I open the EMS using admin. The first thing I have to do is to go to Catalog and to Features and create a new feature. Feature name, let's say Eli. We said I want 8, so I will add 8. Let's see if feature number 8 is available. Yes, it is. So I've created feature number 8. Then I will go to product and create a new product. The product is something that will have inside it a feature. So let's call this product once again LE8 maybe. The license type is a shell. I will add a feature of LE8. And then I'm going to configure, and over here I have several things. I'm not going to elaborate on everything, but license type is can be perpetual, meaning for lifetime, can be execution count, meaning that each time you execute the application, it will count down until it gets to 0. You have expiration date, meaning that it will work until a specific date in the future, and you have time period, meaning that it will work for a specific time. So let me just leave it as perpetual, and if you see here the list of which are the keys that are relevant. For instance, if I use expiration date, so you can see that only time and net time, which has the RTC, the runtime, the real-time clock over there inside them. So for perpetual, everyone will work. So I will save as complete. And now I have product called LE8, which includes inside it feature 8. Next one is to go to Entitlement and create a new entitlement. Here I have a radio button in which I can decide which type of entitlement it is. Hardware key, meaning that I'm going to burn a key that is connected to the USB of my machine. Product key is something which in most of the cases will go to a process called activation. I will not talk about it right now. And here is update, when you want to send updates, license updates for remote keys. But for now I have a key connected to this machine, so I will leave it in the default of hardware key, and then I will add a product into this entitlement. I'll take LE8 and then produce. The produce will call Java in order to run something in the background. And here I see that everything is ready, and I can burn. So now I can see that the LED is blinking in the key, in the protection key in the USB, and the license is being burned into this key. When it is done, license burned successfully, and I can close it. Let's go once again to the ACC, to the same key, to features, and now I see that also feature number 8 is part of the licenses in this key. Thank you for watching.